Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through how to install VS Code on Windows operating system, right? This is part of our onboarding process. We want to make sure that student has some basic tool installed that is going to help them, right, throughout the training. And VS Code, it is one of them, right? And what is VS Code? VS Code is just a text editor that you can kind of use to edit and also write your code, right? We have a couple of them out there, and this one, it is really popular, right? Like out there, we have stuff like PyCharm, also Atom, and VS Code. I myself personally, I like VS Code, and I use VS Code as my test editor. And I've seen a lot of folks out there that like it. Why? It is really easy to use, right? Now, if you click on this onboarding documentation, it's going to take me here to just a page where I can download VS Code, and we'll make sure that I actually add the link of this page here in the description of this video so that you can just click on that and it's going to take you here. As you guys can see here, you can install VS Code on Mac, and also you can install it on Windows and on Linux. Right now, I am on window. I mean, I will just hit this one to download the package. As you guys can see here, it is downloading here, and when that is done, it is going to store this thing in my download folder, and I can go ahead and install this. And to install this is a very straightforward process. As soon as you download this, you can just go ahead and double click, and it's going to prompt you, do you really want to do this? I can go ahead here and just agree, yes, I want to do that, and go ahead and say next. Make sure that I create a shortcut on my desktop, right, an icon, and also add this thing into my path. And you don't need to change anything no more. You don't need to change something else. You just go ahead here. If you hit install, it will go ahead and install VS Code. I have this already installed. I will not hit the install button no more. And when this is installed, you can go to your search bar here and you type VS Code, and VS stand for Visual Studio Code. As you guys can see, it shows up here, and you can go ahead and open it. When you open yours will be blank, right? Because you don't have anything. It will look something like this. The first time that you open it, it's going to look something like this. If you go to file here and go to new window, yours will look like this, right? Not like mine. Mine basically pulls up some stuff just because I was using that to do something, right? That's it for this video. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so that you will be notified when we publish a new video. And also, if you have not yet followed us on social media, please do so, right? Do so. We have like ton of stuff out there, like Facebook, we have Instagram, and also TikTok, LinkedIn, and so on. And we kind of share some useful content there once in a while. Thank you. Bye-bye.